6 weeks into the strike, many people on the picket line are worried about making ends meet. They're getting $500 a week in strike pay, but bills are adding up and the holidays are coming up. CBS News Detroit's Kelly Vaughn is on your block in Sterling Heights near the picket line with the story.
Many of the workers here on the picket line say they knew they'd have to cope with less money during the strike, and many made preparations for that. But as this strike drags on, some are turning to other options, like loans created specifically for workers on strike. UAW strike pay is $500 a week.
Right before taxes.
UAW member Daryl Rollins says the strike is worth it, but it can be hard to get by.
Because when you're talking about $500 and you're used to making double that, bringing home double that, that makes it kind of hard because the bills you have to pay, they're really not concerned about you being on strike.
Shishi Anderson says there's been talk among the workers about whether their strike pay could be raised.
Somebody was speculating, trying to do some type of increase, I wouldn't be against it, but, whatever they do, I'm fine with, because I prepared for 500. They've been telling us 500 for the longest, and that's what I, prepared myself for.
UAW says raising strike pay would be complicated, as the rate is set by delegates at their convention through an extensive process. So for those who can't get by on $500 a week, many are turning to loans.
Inflation and groceries were already high before the strike, so they need help, and we want to be able to help them.
Kelly Ellsworth Etchison is the Chief Marketing and Diversity Officer for LAFQ Credit Union, one of the credit unions across Michigan offering loans specifically for striking UAW workers. So far, they've done about 96 UAW loans for more than $282,000. Interest rates on these strike loans are 8.99%.
Because this is an unsecured loan, we're not asking it to be collateralized by a car or that they need to do a home equity loan to borrow. So this is lower than a personal loan rate right now.
She says the approval process is similar to other loans.
We want to see, proof of employment, that they were at one of the impacted facilities.
She says people who have been laid off because of the strike qualify for their loans as well. Reporting in Sterling Heights, Kelly Vaughn, CBS News Detroit.